And good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight on the special edition of NBC 26 at 6. You're probably watching us from your special mobile device or on your social media apps. I'm here at the Weather Center with Gino, and we're talking about this weather alert that's in place. We did see some snow yesterday, but not as much as we expected, right?
Oh, well, this was the first round of a two-round system. The first round that we were seeing did produce the amount that we were talking about. You see the map just over my shoulder. Most of that accumulations, the highest were along the shoreline towards Manitowoc, near Two Rivers, 3 inches of snowfall. The Nazians, 2.7 inches. Down towards Amro, Ephraim, they got about an inch of snowfall. And you see that on the time lapse. We did have a little bit of a light dusting in Green Bay, about 0.4 of an inch. That was the official report at the National Weather Service. And now we are going to be tracking another round of some light snow, but not everyone is going to be seeing it. Here are the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in effect in place as we go into the next couple of hours. You do see that Fond du Lac, Calumet, and Kewaunee County under a winter weather advisory. We got Sheboygan and Manitowoc counties under a winter storm warning, but not a lot of snow is going to be falling from this, and I'll show that map momentarily. Part of the reason why is we've got dry air pulling in from the north, and you see this very fine line. A lot of the snow that's right now over Manitowoc, Sheboygan, Fond du Lac counties, it's not really reaching the surface. It's that dry air that's causing it to evaporate before it actually gets to the ground. But down to the south over parts of southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, they are getting clobbered with some pretty heavy snowfall right now, and that's where that system is going to be impacting most folks. This low pressure has shifted farther southward than what it was originally tracked to do so, where just about 72 hours ago, this low pressure was going to be closer towards Chicago. That would have put us in the bullseye of the storm, but with the strong high pressure pushing the storm system down to the south, we're missing out on most of the snowfall. Skycast bringing a little bit of light snow from Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Manitowoc, and Calumet counties, and scraping parts of Kewaunee County over this evening into right around midnight. But you take a look, by midnight, it's practically out of here, and we do remain pretty quiet as temperatures call into the lower teens by the morning hours. Accumulations mostly confined to the south, dusting to an inch from Kewaunee towards Fond du Lac. As you get closer toward the Sheboygan County line, accumulations will pick up about 1 to 3 inches, and there could be some localized higher totals somewhere in the Sheboygan area or southern Manitowoc County lines of maybe 3 to 4 inches based on the enhancement of the lake effect snow. Now we get into the day for tomorrow. If you're planning to do anything Packers related or just have to do some errands on your Sunday, the weather is going to be quiet all day. Clouds will be building in by the afternoon and evening as temperatures do climb up into the lower to mid 20s. Now, late tomorrow night, we're talking about 9-10 o'clock. We got another round of snowfall. This one will be area wide, but it's not going to be a big event. We're talking about accumulations ranging from about a ½ inch to upwards near 2 inches. And the snowfall will be ending right around 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday. So it's a long duration event, but it's going to be a light snowfall. Here's what Skycast is showing. Accumulations starting off tomorrow evening and continue into Monday morning. And you're seeing about 1 inch to 2 inches of snowfall out of the system. On top of everything that's happening, for the meantime, we do still have a weather event. We do have lakeshore flood advisories until 3 a.m. on Sunday. That's because of those strong winds continuing out of the northeast right now. But you see, as we get towards late tonight into the overnight, those winds do subside. So that's great news for anyone who is living right along the shoreline. Temperatures right now are in the upper teens and lower 20s, but in Antigo, it is 14 degrees. They've got some clear skies out there, and with some clearing skies overnight tonight, a mixture of clouds. Temperatures will fall into the lower teens. Winds turning in southwest 5 to 10 miles per hour. Then as we get into the day for tomorrow, winds out of the northwest 25 mile or temperature wise for a high 25, mostly cloudy skies. We get into the little bit warmer conditions as we get towards Monday and Tuesday. Highs getting back into the upper 30s on Tuesday. A little bit of a wintry mix. On Wednesday, we do have another chance of some light snowfall, dry weather on Thursday. As we get towards Friday and Saturday, another chance of snow, something that we do have to monitor. Guys?